What did you say? You find some great gold. Well, it's plenty gold you find. Okay, let's go to the sandbank.
Smell off here.
Okay. Let's go back to the sandbank. I'd have saved this for me and you, but we find this. Let's go. Come. Huh? Yeah. I didn't know you were scared easy. Yeah, I get my pants wet. Yeah, that's my time. It's cut grass. Going now. You had fun with me? We're going straight back to the car and then you can play on the beach. I will send this video to the Vaughn and Leah and the girls and them. Oh. Yeah, I see that. Yeah, I don't mind. This better than Disney World?
No.
Yeah. How you know Disney World is? You ain't never been there?
Yeah.
It's better than Disney World. The East Coast one or the West Coast one? Because they ain't got no sandbank.
I saw Disney World online and it shows none of your business.
This better than Disney World?
No.
Yes, it is.
No.
Yes.
No,
I've been there, you ain't been there yet, so I know it's better than Disney World.
No.
Okay.
I've been watching Disney World, you stupid.
No, I stupid, but I love you. You having fun with Daddy?
No.
I having fun with you. Or you want to look for some more of that great gold? You want to look for more of that great gold? That great gold can't spend, that's the only thing. You see the water? Only 2 inches. Water only 2 inches. Look over here. Okay, 3 inches.
I feel like I'm going in the moon.
Yeah.
I just found 1 or 2 or 2 holes. I feel like we should have on right here.
Okay. You having fun with Daddy? I miss you, you know, a lot. I tell you that all the time.
I feel like soap water.
That's
I feel
this.
like drinking water.
Yeah, better drink this.
You feel like drinking soap water.
Yeah.
You feel like nanny water.
Yeah. Well, you better call the nanny truck to suck up this nanny water. That truck ain't big enough.
No.
Having fun with Daddy? Having a lot of fun with you.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Let me dry off my eye. You got this flash up my eye.
Sorry for that. Sorry for that.
Find some gray gold.
Look at them great gold.
Oh, man.
Look, we find great gold. We could spend that. We could buy that great gold.
Yeah. Yes, we could buy it.
Let's go back to the car and then we can come back. I just want to shut it off so we can get a feeling how far we walked. Okay? Yeah, we'll come back for it. We'll come back for it. I'm getting tired. Ooh. Hey, don't put my pants down now. You try and pull my pants down. No, the whole of my pants, Amanda. Let go of my pants. Okay.